Hi, I'm Bernadette and I'm one of the trimmers here at Project Heaven, and I'm going to show you around what we've done to this Ferrari 250 GTE. The owner of this car wanted the whole of the interior retrimmed, including the back seats, the front two seats, all of the door cards, the centre console and tunnel. The back seat of this Ferrari has been redesigned. Originally it was to seat 2 people, and now it's been converted to seat 3. This was at the owner's request because they have 3 small children to fit in the back. And we've also retrimmed the door cards, centre tunnel and console, and the reason for that is because the original ones were quite worn, and in order to make sure that all of the interior leather matched, it was best to retrim the lot. Watching our video today on upholstery. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch our future videos on upholstery, and keep an eye out on the projects that we're working on.